So, good afternoon everyone. I am Elsa Sharu Johnson from NIT Tiruchirappalli. So, I'll be discussing with you the week 1 assignment of the previously run course. So, if I am audible and if my sheet is visible, please let me know. Any one of you?
Good evening, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay, thank you.
Visible.
Yes, okay. So I hope you have been made familiar with Jupyter notebooks in the second week.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
right? Yeah. So you might have installed the Anaconda distribution, and from that you might have used Jupyter notebook, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
if you have the Jupyter notebook not installed in your system, then you can use the Colaboratory, which is from Google. So both are similar only. So I'll be explaining to you using a Colab. If you want me to explain using Jupyter also, you can stop and ask in between. So in Colaboratory, what you have to see is that your system should be connected to the net actually. So if you see here, it should display like it is connected to the Google Compute Engine backend, and if it's connected, then you can run every program there. Okay, so I'll just move on to, people are joining also, I'll just admit them. Yes. Okay, so in between, if there are if I want to ask some questions or something, you can reply through the chat window, or you can unmute yourself and reply. All right, so the first question, which from the previously run course, was consider a variable job equal to chemist. So in that, which of the following expressions will retrieve the last character from the variable value? Okay, so this is the string actually, job equal to chemist. It's written like that. So I'll just run this one. So can you answer me what will be? Yeah, some people are giving some options. Some have given B and some have given D, right? That's right. And some both. Yeah, so I'll just show you what everything does. Okay, what all options will do. So first one is job of 7 is written. All right, so yeah, so job of 7 means what? In job chemist, if you want to see, I have just saved it as a variable job. I just want to see the length of it. So ln of job will give 7 actually. Okay, but in this 7, how is the Python indexing done? How does it start? Can you reply?
From 0.
Yes. So since it's from 0, you have to see like the C is stored as 0. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the last letter T is stored as 6. So we want to retrieve the last letter. Okay, so if you do like job of 7, okay, we have seen the length is as 7, and if we put job of 7, we can't get it. Okay, you'll get an error. Why is it coming? It's coming because the string index is out of range. Okay, so the index, well, if its length is 7, its index was like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the indexing stops at the value 6. That's why if you give job of 7, it will not be giving the last value. Okay, so if you give like job of 6, that will be coming. Okay, now then the next option was like job of len of job minus 1. So length of job, you know, it's 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So it will give you the answer, right? Then job of 5 to 6. Okay, will it give the answer or not? Yeah, it won't give. What will give? It will give S actually. So why is it happening? Because the indexing starts from, I'll just show you quickly. Chemist, The indexing is like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if you put 5 to 6, it will starts from S and it will see the ending value. The ending value is given as 6, but that won't be included. That's why only S is coming. All right. Now, next one. Next option is
Ma'am.
the, yes, yeah, tell me.
Okay. Okay, means in first question we have to do indexing, and after last index data, so it is coming at sixth position. Then we checked every condition where 6 is coming, and that will be taken as answer.
Every condition where, yeah, 6 will come, where the letter T will come. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Just I'm showing you all the options what will do. I mean, you can directly
Okay.
see like job of 6 will be the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. The option number C,
Yes.
where it is job 5:6. Why we are not including T?
That
It's
is
5 to 6.
yes, that is because of the Python indexing actually. In if you see like a job 5, I mean, just if I'm giving you an example, if you put job of 1 to 3, then what it will be giving is like H E only. Okay, so the starting index will be 1 itself, the ending index will be up to 3. This is like the property of that syntax only. If you give
Okay.
like this,
Okay.
yeah, it will
So
start from
last
1.
index is not
Yeah,
considered.
not
with.
included, it won't be included. Okay, so if it has to be included, I mean, if M, you have to get M also, then you have to give 1:4 you have to give. Okay, 1 column 4 you have to give. Then another way to do this one is negative indexing actually. So this is what negative indexing does. So in negative indexing, it starts.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
So answer will be C.
No, answer is not C. What answer came when you run this line? 5 to 6. S came, right? Sorry.
B.
Yeah, B is one answer. That's right. Then another one is there. I'll just tell you. The B option, it is negative indexing actually. So in negative indexing, you don't have to worry about it starts from like I mean, the starting will be like -1. Okay, in the same thing, CHEMIST, the last index will be given like -1. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 will be coming. Okay, so you can do positive indexing also, you can do negative indexing also. Okay, so if you do negative indexing, then this is fine, this is also right. If job of -1 is given, then you'll get the answer. Okay, so from here, this option, the D option as well as the B option gave the correct answer. Okay, is this question fine for you, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the next one is, which of the following expressions should be used to assign the variable getNum to get the final print statement output value 75 from the below tuple? Okay, so a tuple is given. So tuple, it's like it will be given inside rounded brackets. So nst underscore tup. Okay, nst tup, nest tup is equal to system 60, 70, 45, 15, 3, 12. Okay, so in between I'll just pause to admit everyone. Okay, so we have to see what is getNum. Yeah, some are giving the answers, that's right. So we are I'll just run this one. Okay, we have saved this tuple in this variable name and we'll just see what happens. Okay, so this one, it's divided into one row and how many columns are there, like that it's given. So the answer everyone has given C. Okay, so I'll just try the C option. The C option is like 1, 1 and 1. Okay, so if I run this one, the answer will be coming as 75. So the answer C is right. Okay, Now we'll just see what all. Yes, if two options are correct, you have to tick both. Yeah. So in the first option, we'll see what happens. NST tup 1, 2 will be giving like in the first thing. So here you can see like system, this set and this one. System has the index 0, 1 and 2. Okay. So here 0, 1 and 2, and in this 1, 45 is 2 actually. Okay. That's why if you give NST TUP1, 2, 45 is coming. Okay. Similarly, this one, we'll see what happens. Okay. So here you can see like it is given 1 to 2. All right. So 1 to 2 means this element as well as this element. I mean this element only will be taken. Okay. But the problem was that the tuple index has gone out of range, it is telling. Okay. So you just have to see why it happens. 0, 1 and 2. So this one also, the problem was that you can't give like this. Okay. Since the index was like 0, 1 and 2, so that of 1 gave like the index error came like tuple index is out of range. Okay, that's why that can't be used. Now the next one, everyone has said the answer. Get num equal to, if you put like 1 of 1, then the answer will be like from this one, the first one 0, 1 will be coming, 75 the answer will be coming. Now if the fourth option was the same as the other one, second B option itself, but this was different. Okay, so rounded bracket was given. So if you put it like that, it will be coming like the tuple object will be not callable. So you just see the errors that are coming here when you are putting it like this. Okay, if you have to call one element out of the other one, you have to put the square brackets every time. If you are putting the rounded brackets, then you will get a type error that it is not callable. Okay, but when you are putting square brackets itself and the index is out of range, then you will be getting an index error. Okay, so the answer here is C. Does anyone have any question?
Why that was the index is out of range? Because what I can see or what I can predict that when we are slicing 1:2,
Yeah,
this means
that
that
is,
first index.
yeah, that is the slice. In this slicing operation, there are little differences, as I understand. There are little differences in the slicing operation when you give some index values, and in some statements it will be different. Okay, is that right?
And here we had done 1 of 2, means which index we should consider here. Like in last it was mentioned that last index. Here they are asked means tuple of 1 of 2, means what we have select here.
This one we have given as a tuple actually. Okay, so in tuple you just have to give like just have in that syntax, in tuple syntax, you just have to give this one only, nst underscore tuple. If you want to access the element which is here, you just want to specify that element only. You don't want to give it as a range.
If 2, 1 are given, then first element will come repeatedly.
2, 1 you mean here? Here you mean 2, 1?
No.
Then
2, 1 means not like, means first also in first bracket 1 and in second bracket 1. Like this 2 times 1 is given.
yes.
Then the first element, that is 60, it will come 2 times or only 1 time.
You mean it's given like nst underscore tuple 1, right?
Yes.
Yeah, in that option 75 will be coming. Okay,
Means
so
1, like 1 and 1, 2 addition. So like that it goes to second index, 75.
no, it's not like that. Okay, here it's like the in the tuple there are 3 different elements. Okay, 0
Okay.
in this tuple 0, 1 and 2 are there. Okay.
Okay, whole bracket.
Yeah, in that, in the first element, in the first
This
position,
bracket.
75 is there.
Okay,
So
that's the
since
75.
yeah, so if you just like try this one also, tuple 2 of
you mean
1
to
if
say
I
that?
give,
So you mean to say that in
yeah,
case of a tuple object, we cannot do the slicing operation? Is it so?
45.
the tuple is immutable, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So we cannot
and
do the slice operation over there.
this we are just extracting that number here. This is just like we are extracting the number from the tuple. Okay, so here you don't have to give it like a slice because it is specifying like which element of the tuple.
Yeah. So you mean to say that if I'm doing the slicing over an tuple, so it will create another object of tuple. But,
I didn't understand the question.
so my question is related to the second option, right?
Second,
Even though
okay, yeah, this one.
yeah, yeah. So what we are doing, we are at first time we are doing the slicing from 1 to 2 of that tuple.
Mm-hmm.
Then we are trying to extract the first position of the tuple. Correct?
Okay, yeah, this slicing, this operation, no. If
Yeah, correct.
this slicing operation like this won't work if we are trying to call a tuple like that. I just give you an example here. Like if I'm putting
So-
like 1 is to 1 colon 1 also, it will be giving an index error, index out of
Okay,
range.
okay. So slicing operation is not applicable
Yeah.
on tuple.
No, when you are calling like this, it can't be given like that. Okay, I mean your option
Could you
was
please
like,
show me the question?
yeah, question I'll show.
What was
This
the
one is the question. Yeah.
Okay.
Is there now is done second option, no, 2 and 1. So in this case, 2 and 1 means from second bracket, second first position we have taken. That's why 3 came.
Okay, this one I have run. This one.
Here, yes.
Yeah. So here you can see like in the second element of that tuple, in that the first position, that is 3.
Means the first number in the first bracket is the element of that question.
First number, can you tell once again?
Means in this question, tuple of 2 and 1, here first number is 2. Means you have to consider second bracket and in that second element. Means if here 3 must have given,
Yeah,
then
yeah.
answer will be 12.
Yeah, it's like this, no. In this tuple, the zeroth element, sorry, the zeroth element is like system. First
Okay.
element is like 60, 75, 45. Second element is like 15, 3 and 12. Okay.
Okay.
So the first, it's like giving like the second element here. So the second element means this one will be selected. Okay. And in that the first element means here it will be like 0, 1, 2. So
Okay.
the first one in that.
And if they ask 3 and if there was extra number with us 13, then 13 would have come answer.
Yes, we'll just try that. Where you want to put it?
Here only. In that bracket 15, 3, 12.
Yeah.
13. Okay. And here tuple of 2 and 1, we have two tuple of 3 and 1.
But the elements haven't changed, na?
Yeah, yes. Third object is not present for the tuple.
Here still 2 elements only, no? 0, 1, 2 only. If you give like 2, then it will come.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
One more
I mean,
term.
if I change like this one and put one more, and then if I put 3, then it will come. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So one more doubt from this question. So
Yes.
because of this tuple contains mixed objects, just like first the zero position is string, and rest all other the tuple objects.
Yes.
right?
Yes.
If I change the second indexed object as a tuple instead of tuple, like if I put as a list over there, then the slicing operation will work out, right?
Yeah, that can work.
Yeah. Okay. So the output or what I learned from this example is we cannot do the slicing operation over n tuple.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So we'll move on to the next question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am. In the option we had the slicing operator. No, for the can you scroll up, ma'am? Yeah. And, here in get num where you have the cursor, if you insert a zero within square brackets after 1:2.
After 1:2.
Yeah, in a separate square bracket, insert zero.
Okay.
Yeah, and instead of selecting tuple one, we'll select list one. Use square brackets for one. No,
Here.
not that one. Yeah. Instead of parentheses, we'll replace with square brackets. Yeah, will
Okay.
that work?
Yeah, it's coming.
Okay.
So this is also like taking like a list.
Yeah, ma'am. But can you explain why this is working?
Yeah, here this one, this NST, yeah. So in here it's like first it is extracting this as a list actually. I'll just NST underscore TUP then so if I'll just see what happens here. So it is coming like this one. Yeah, see, it says it when we give like this, it's extracting like this one. And then if you are extracting from here, I mean we already extracted from there, and now you are giving like 0 1 comma 1. Okay,
Yeah.
this operation works actually, but you don't have to go that much. I mean that is expanding the statement. You just have to give like this only
Okay.
to get that one. This is like just seeing how it is coming. Okay, if you give like this also, it's possible to extract that.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So if everyone is fine with this one, I'll move on to the next one. Okay. Yes. Okay. So what would be the output for the following set of statements? First one is new underscore list is given. So this is given like this one. I'll just run this one. And can you tell me the answer? Yes, new. Okay, so new list 4, I'm just adding. This is just a list. Okay, so we can change the elements. So yeah, the option everyone is telling right only. So I'll just show you new list of 4. I'm putting it as true. So in this one I'm printing the new list. Okay, so that's fine. So another method to do this one is like you can put new underscore list dot insert. Okay, you can do the insert option also, and in that insert option if you put like in which place you want to see that. Okay, so when I did this one, 13 23 18 64 51 was the original list, and when I put the 4th index as true, it's changed to true actually. Okay, now I just want to change it back, so I just have put, I'm trying another method like new underscore list dot insert also will work in this case. So if you do that, in the 4th position 51 will be inserted. Okay, I'll just run this and show you. So in the 4th position it will be inserted, it won't be replaced here actually. Okay, so I think the difference is caught up. So here in the question it was asked like if you do it, what is the output? So here the 4th element was replaced, 4th index was replaced. If you don't want to replace, you can use the insert option. Okay, is that right? If
This
I,
means insert doesn't replaces. It insert the value at particular position.
yes, yes, yeah. Insert doesn't replace that one. If you tell it to insert it as it in the fourth index, then it will insert it at that index in that value. Okay. Is it all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So the answer as per the question is B option. Okay. Now the next question, what result does the final statement print? So the scores is given as 12, 25, 32, 39 and 44. So we, in that question, it's assigned like this: f underscore score star bws bw underscore s l underscore score equal to
Ma'am,
scores.
could you zoom a little?
Okay. Is it fine?
Sufficient. Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah. So here you can see that, I mean, scores was given as a tuple here. And the scores have been assigned like this one to 3 variables. Okay, so we want to see what is the output which is coming. Okay, so I'm seeing options like A, and yeah, one has answered. So we'll check out what happens. Okay, so I have assigned this tuple to scores. Now then the scores I'm assigning to here. So this is like, this operation is known as unpacking. Okay, unpacking operation of a tuple. So in this unpacking operation, now you can see that the scores have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Okay, so in here but the variables we had given is like f score and star bw underscore s and l score. Okay, so only 3 variables are given there for assignment. So what will happen is that here we have given particularly like this, so it will be unpacked together. Okay, so here what will happen is like f score will be stored with 12 and L score will be stored as 45, and the rest of the elements 25, 32 and 39 will be stored in this bw underscore s. Okay, so
Ma'am, kindly share the screen, please.
sorry, I'll just share. Oh, some network issue happened, sorry. Just give me 5 minutes. Okay, is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, okay. So here what will happen is that the f score will have 12, L score will have 44 and PW, this one will be stored like a okay, it'll be together it will be coming like 25, 32 and 39. Okay, we'll just run this one and see. So the output will be like, the option is A actually. I mean, it's will be coming like a list actually, because we have unpacked. Okay, so 12, 25, 32 and 39 and 44 will be coming. So the option is like this one. Okay, so I have seen A and C. Sorry, we are accessing option A is not right. I mean, the option E is coming. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, the second variable considered as a star bw underscore s.
Yes.
So can we give star for any variable? Because
This is like, it has this unpacking operation will be done when the number of variables are less than the elements which are given there. Okay, you can see like unpacking operations in tuple. I'll just see if it's present. Okay, wait, tuple operations. Okay, you can just see here. You can go through, I mean, you just type tuple unpacking in Python like that. So I'll just show you the different yes. Okay, just see like here this you can see this example, m star and s. Okay, it's given like this. So if you are printing this one like m, n and s, then you'll be getting like 12 in the first one, where you have given a star. Star is used to assign multiple values to a single variable during tuple unpacking. Okay, so this is the same that is happening here. We have used the
What
star.
if we give the star at the beginning? Means star f
Yeah.
underscore score, then
Yeah, we'll try
bw
that
underscore
one.
s.
Yeah, we'll try that one. Yes. Then it depending on the number. Okay, depending on the number of the variables it will be given. So we'll just see what happens there. So you see now, whatever is there, whatever variable extra is there, it will be allocated and given as a like this, unpacked like you like unpack as a single variable. Okay, so here I mean 3 variable assignments are coming only. So the last 2 will be given to a single variable and the others will be given to star f, I mean f underscore score.
This means it will assign only one value to one variable and rest all values to the variable which has been assigned for storing multiple values.
Yes, yes. So this one star will denote that it has been assigned to store multiple values. It have been assigned to unpack multiple values into a single variable. Okay, is that right? Is it fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So I am just putting like I've just increased the number of variables also, just for an example. So I've put an extra variable here. So can you tell me what the answer will come there?
12, then 25, 32, then 39, and last one is 44.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So if I run this one, it will be coming like that. Okay, so I hope you understood how the unpacking works here. If anyone has any doubt, please ask. Again, I have to solve. Okay. So,
Ma'am, repeat please.
which portion you want?
That last one.
Last one.
F
Okay.
underscore.
Okay. Here, I mean, compared to the first one, I have just increased the number of variables. Okay. You see, scores is given like this one. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements there. Okay. So, if you want to store individually to each variable, you want 5 variables. All right. But here in the first portion, f score is one variable, then bw underscore s and l score. 3 variables are only assigned to be unpacked. I mean, score unpack this tuple to 3 variables we are trying. Okay. So if this star is not there, what you will be getting is like an error. Too many values to unpack. We have only given like 3 values only we can unpack, like that we have assigned, but originally there are 5 values to be unpacked. Okay, so in that case we put like, if one of the variables is assigned as a star, then the extra number of variables, extra number of elements which are present, that will be unpacked to one variable. Okay, so that error will not be thrown there. Okay, so the last one I have shown is that, yes, yeah, tell me.
I have a doubt that here star means multiple values, but here question is given in terms of alphabets and output is coming in terms of numbers. Means we are having a little bit.
No, I
Means
didn't understand.
formula I didn't get in only f underscore and bw underscore s and one underscore score, and score is assigned means
We are
word is
this score is a tuple which has these values. We are
okay.
unpacking these values to these variables. Okay, unpacking means that
That's why all that value will get printed.
if we are giving this like this one, then
Okay.
the answer will be printed like output is like this one. Okay, 12, then 25, 32 and 39, and then 44. Okay.
Okay, that two and were given in question. That and are coming and as numbers.
That is given as like in print output is like string
Okay,
we
okay.
have given. Okay, I think you have seen this before, how to give like this one. All right, is that all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so screen has been zoomed. I hope it's clear now. Okay. Now, so the answer here will be coming, I mean in this question it will be coming like E actually. Okay. Yeah, so the next question is how many times in the following set, if this following set of instructions are executed, how many times does the vowel E appear in the result? Okay, so the word, it's given like occurrence. For LTR in range, len of word. So it will calculate how many words are there. Then if LTR remainder with 3, percentage 3 equal to 0, we have to print the word letter. Okay, this is straightforward only. So I've just given that one only. Okay, so I have assigned the string occurrence to word, and then I'm giving a for loop. Okay, so in for loop I'm giving like that assignment for letter, that letter should start from len of word. Okay, 0 to len of word, and for each of these things. So I'll just run this one. So you can see like this okay, I'll just keep another thing. Len of word will be giving like the answer as 10 actually. So for LTR in range, 10 will come. So in that you will be seeing like O starts with, the first one will be 0. So 0 percentage 3 will be equal to 0. So the first one will be coming. Next one will be 1, then not come, 1 won't satisfy this condition. Then 2, and then U will be coming with the index 3. So 3 percentage 3 will be equal to 0. That's why U is printed again. Later 4, 5, 6. Sixth index has E there. So E will be printed, and that has remainder equal to 0. Next 7, 8, 9. Ninth index has remainder 0. So that also will be printed. I think this is an easy question. If anyone has any doubt, please unmute yourself and tell me.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
It's fine.
Yeah, so the answer will be like
C.
So occurrence of E. Yeah, the question was like how many times does the vowel E appear? Okay, so the answer will be coming like C. So
Means that length of word I was able to do means here LTR mod 3. LTR means the length which we had got, total 10.
yeah.
Then each word we had calculated here.
Yeah.
Means in this case, I was thinking that means total length is 10. So we will divide 10 by 3.
No, it will be like in each thing for LTR is given, no? So in the first iteration, LTR will be 0. So
Okay.
if 0 percentage 3 equal to 0 will be the first iteration, we will print word of LTR. Okay, that means here it will come like word of 0. Word of 0 is O actually. That's why
Okay.
O has come.
For each alpha.
Roll it faster, madam.
Tell me once again.
For each letter we calculate means in this case.
I mean, it will be going through like iterations will be going like 0, 1, 2, 3,
2, 3,
4,
4.
like that. Okay.
Okay.
Up to 10. So again, next like 3 in the third iteration, 3% 3 will again come like equal to 0. That condition will be satisfied. So then print word of 3 will be coming. That will be U. Okay.
Okay.
Like that it's coming. So that's why the answer, I mean, how many times the vowel is repeated? Vowel E is repeated, so the answer will be coming as 2 and option C. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Which of the following options when execute? Yeah, tell
excuse me.
Yeah.
Ma'am, R also occurs 2 times.
No. We are asking like E. The question is like E.
Yes,
how many
yes.
times
Oh.
does the vowel E
okay.
appear in the result? Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
So, which of the following options, when executed, will result in a tuple? You can see the questions and tell me. Put in the chat window. I'll give you some time. Okay. Options are coming like E. Okay, we'll see. Okay. What is the first one? First one is directly, it's like given like a tuple only. Okay. If you put like, many options are coming. I'll just show you one by one everything. So here in 2, if I run this one and I put like type of T, then it will be coming like tuple. Okay. Next one, Y. When you can see this, you can see that it's given in a square bracket.
List. It's a list.
Yeah, it's a list only. Then R is given like this one. I'll just run that one and show you. So this will be coming like a tuple only, because it has one element like this, and other element is also present. I mean, it's not given also. Okay. The next one, S is equal to W. What will this be? Can you tell me?
Tuple of one element.
Yeah, there is only one element. Okay. Here in the R case, you have put in an extra comma also, but here only one element is there. It will be taken as a string actually. Okay. It's not a tuple. It will be taken as a string only. If you want to give it as a tuple, then you have to give one more option, one more thing like that. Okay. Then it will be a tuple. Okay, so the option here will be what? What will be the answer? Which of the following options will result in a tuple? Yeah, A and C. Okay. Yeah, I hope everyone's clear. If you have doubt, you please ask. A, C. Okay. Yeah, we'll move on to the next question then. So, which statement or statements will result in an empty data structure? Okay. So, many different sets, many different statements are given, options are given. You have to see
A
which
option.
Okay, it will result in an that
Because
is true.
both curly brackets, nothing is given. Null set.
Yes, but you just see the others also. Because it's given statement or statements are given. Okay, so there is a possibility that there will be multiple answers. Okay.
Okay.
So the dictionary one, that is empty. That is right. Yes. Some have given options. Yeah. So if you give tuple like one, that is also an empty set. This is like straight away you can tell that is empty. Now if you give like a set of like this, then also if you just see, that is coming as empty. Empty set will be coming. So we just want to see how this will result. Okay. Toy, baseball is assigned to toy, and you can see the slicing operation here. So this one will be coming like, since it's given like 2 to 2, if you print this one, an empty set will be coming. Okay. So the answer will be like all of the above. Okay. The one who had said dictionary, is it fine for you? Everyone is clear with this one? all these are in NP sets only. So the option will be E actually. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
could you explain this toy code?
Toy. Okay. This one will be given like toy will be stored as baseball, and if you give this statement get string, then it will be coming like, I mean, if you just had given it any other number, okay, and if you had printed that one, then it would have come like one letter, okay. But here, I mean, this operation will be like starting from 2 and ending in 3, but 3 won't be included, okay. So in that case, 2, the second index was taken, like S was taken. But here in our option, it was like str2 colon 2 was given. So starting and ending both places, it's the same value, okay. That's why it won't get any value. That's why you will be getting an empty set only, okay. Is it clear? Is it clear for you? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So the next question, consider a dictionary city created with the following keys and values. So the city, okay, Delhi 3, Bangalore 5, Chennai, Kolkata and Mumbai, okay. So in the dictionary, this will be known as the keys. The first thing will be known as the keys, and the assigned values will be known as the values actually in dictionary, okay. In dictionary elements, there will be keys and values. So it's asked, the question is like, through which all possible way or ways we can access the value 5. So 5 is present with Bangalore actually, okay. So the options are coming like, people are putting like A, okay, we'll see. So any other option you can get? A, some options A, B are coming, okay, I'll show you. So I'll just assign this dictionary values to city, and I'll show the first option, city of Bangalore. Yes, it will be giving the value 5, okay. So A is one option. Now if you want to get like the second option, we'll try city.get Bangalore. That is, it's not subscriptable, you can't get it with using this function, okay. The type error is coming. Built-in function or method object is not subscriptable. So you can't get the key, I mean get the values from a key using the get method, okay. And so the third option is like city.values of 1. We'll try if it works actually. Here also it's known as, you can't get these values using this type of method, okay. City of values with this one won't work with the dictionary, okay. Now we'll try the last one, list of city.values, okay. So what its difference is that this is the same thing actually, okay. This is the same thing, but here what it has done is that, I'll just show you. City.values, when we gave, it has taken all the values in that dictionary, okay. So all the values in that dictionary will be 3, 5, 4, 6 and 7, okay. So first this was taken, okay. So dictionary values 3, 5, 4, 6, 7 were taken, and from that we had first extracted this one like city.values, and from that one we are getting the first value, okay, because this is coming as a list actually. So in that, I mean, we are converting it as a list. I'll just show you. So this one, first city.values will be like this, okay, and you are converting it to a list actually. So the list will come like a list actually, and if you have a list with you, then you can access it just by calling this, because there is no different element, the dimension is one only, so you can do it like this. And if you run this now, I mean, it will be giving you the value 5. So the methods by which you can do is, A option is right, and D option is also right. Is that fine with everyone?
Means like this we can try on Google Colabs, means we will get help to solve the problems.
Help, yeah, this option will be coming. I mean, whatever error you are there, it will be coming like that. And if you have some
We can
doubt
check
about
that
that,
on this Jupyter notebook or Google Colab, means we will find what error is coming.
yes, that will also be coming. Like what is the question? Yeah, this one, city, and if you like put it, I mean, if you are, wait, this will be coming. See, like what you have seen in Colab, you'll be getting in Jupyter also.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes.
the thing different is that here, if you have any doubt about the option, you have to copy this value, this comment there, okay, what the error is coming, and then you have to go and search it there, okay. But here in Colab, you can just, I mean, in every error option, you'll be getting, like, you can search Stack Overflow. If you do that, it will be immediately going to any other thing. In the first thing itself, you can go and see, okay, what error you have got. Okay, it might not be similar to the program that you have done, but you can figure it out from there, okay. So instead, what you can do also will be given, okay. You can use the pop option like that, okay. This is in particular to this example actually, okay, but you can infer from that one. Is it all right? This this can't be used like this one. If you want to use it, I mean, there is another option, like, I mean, the errors might not be same in every case, okay, so you can just search it. Okay, yeah. So if you have any doubts like this one also, whatever error you are getting, you can just simply copy it and see, or you can immediately, it will give like search Stack Overflow, okay. So it will go to some or other options. From that you can select which of the options matches to you, okay, and from that you can find out. So if everyone's clear, now I'll move on to the next one. Okay, so the answer for this one was A and D, okay. So A comma D, yes. So next one, count the number of elements in the below list. So the previous question was fine, right? Anyone has any doubt? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. So next one, count the number of elements in the below list. So here it's given like this one, okay, list of tens, like this one. So the number of elements, if you want to see, you can just give like, just assign this one, and you just put it like len of list of tens, okay. So why is it coming like this one? The length is coming as 1 because you see the number of square brackets here, 1, and this one, the whole thing is enclosed with another square bracket, so it is taking as one element, okay. So you can just see, like, length of list tens is coming as 1 here because it's like enclosed like this. If you remove like one more bracket from here, and then you see like what happens, then it will be giving like 3 elements, okay. So the extra difference happened because of the extra number of square brackets, okay. But in the question it was given like this one only. So in this particular case, the number of elements will be coming as 1. Is that right? Yes, okay. Now the next, so the answer for that will be B. Yes. So the next 10th question, a data structure is defined as celebrate equal to set.
Ma'am, sorry for interruption.
Yes, yes, tell me.
What does it mean by tens list underscore tens? Is it carry any meaning?
No, this is
It's
just the
just a
variable name
variable.
only. Variable name only. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
This whole thing is stored as list underscore tens. This is a variable name. Okay. Last class you have seen no how you can put the variable names and all. Underscore is allowed in as variable names. Okay. So it has been just like given like this one only. Okay. There is no specific reason. Okay. So the next one, a data structure is defined as celebrate equal to set of nativity day. What are the possible output if celebrate is printed? Okay. So can I see the options that you'll be giving? I'll assign this one. Yeah. So here I'm giving like a celebrate equal to set of nativity day. If set of nativity day wasn't given, how many number of elements will be coming in my output? For example, if I have given it like like this one, I haven't named it like a set of something. So what will have happened there? I'll just show you. So it will be printing like this one. Then next, if I'm giving like len of celebrate, it will be coming like 12 actually. Okay. Now I have given like, I have changed it to a set. This is a string. I have changed it to a set actually. So now if I put like len of celebrate here, then it will be coming like 8. What is the difference here? Why has it reduced? Why has the number of elements reduced here?
Actually, set only takes unique values.
Yes, that is the option. That is the reason. So since set takes unique options, unique elements only, the one which had been repeated are cut off. Okay. So that's why the len has reduced as 8. So in this case, if I print celebrate, it will be coming like this. Okay. So since it is a set, it will be coming in varied forms actually. Okay. I mean there is no particular indexing for that. Okay. So the answer you can just see like which all options will be coming. So somebody had asked a question. Yeah, order is not important in a set. Yeah, so what answer will be coming here?
All are correct.
The first one, you see how many elements are there?
Because there was possible outputs. Outputs means multiple will come now. That's why all are correct.
The first is not correct.
Yeah, first
one
is not
First
correct.
is not,
Yeah.
empty character is not there.
Yeah,
First option.
that is. I mean there is an
And
empty
second-
character in between the nativity day.
Second option is also wrong because of the empty string is not present. It's
Yes. Yeah.
There is space.
Yeah. So
There is
I'll
primary
take,
key.
yeah.
Answer is D, 3 and 4.
Yeah, answer is D, 3 and 4.
Okay.
The reason is that in the first one, the empty character is not there, and because empty character is there in the question, and in the next one, the I is coming as an uppercase. Okay, here I is lowercase actually. So it's Python is case sensitive, and since capital I has come, this is also not an option. So the next one, 3 and 4, that is option D will be correct. Okay. So I hope till these questions are clear with you. I'll just move on to the present assignments. Okay. So these are the present assignment questions there. So which of the following functions can be used to resize a NumPy array in Python from the given options? Okay, so I think you have gone through the reshape options in the class itself. So can you tell me the options?
B and C.
Yeah. Does anyone have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
I heard. Okay, yeah. So the options will be coming like, yeah, B and C. We'll just see how it happens. So the first one, that syntax is not right. Array dot shape, reshape. I mean, reshape is the function that you have to use. Okay. So in that, the B option is right, yes, but the B option is right, so I'll just paste and see. So this is the first option. Sorry, I'll give a shape actually here. Okay, I didn't do that. So new list is coming like 13, 23, 18, 64, 51 and 56. Okay, this is, I'm just putting a set of numbers. So this is like now the shape will be like what? Okay, I'll just print that one. Print new list dot I'll see if it happens like that. Sorry. Okay, this, it has no attribute shape. So it will be coming like a numpy array itself. Wait. Shape, how it is given? Okay, shape of new underscore list. Okay, so okay, sorry, the shape will not come like that. It will be given in the I think in the numpy only. We'll see. So in the second one, we'll see that later. In the second one, array has come as reshape. So in that one, it's coming like array is not defined. Okay, so wait, like I'll just run once again. Yeah, then array dot reshape, it's given. Okay, so what is array? I haven't given, so I'll just copy that one and I'll just I'll just place there. And if I run this one, what will be coming? It has no attribute reshape like that, it's coming. Okay, now we'll see like just why is it coming. If we'll see like this one, the answer will be coming. So wait, what is the problem here? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, it's a list.
Yeah, it's a list only. So what should I do to change it to an array? I'll just give arr new equal to, I have to give it as an array using import array. Okay, many options are there. Either like I'll have to give import array, and then I have to give like array of new underscore list. Okay, then okay, sorry, what is the problem? It won't work like that. There is some problem like that. So it's not possible. Sorry. And what are your problem not submitted? Abhi, what are you asking me? What problem? What, I didn't understand your question.
Ma'am, not submit the first assignment.
Week 1 assignment.
Yes, ma'am. What are the reasons?
Who, you haven't submitted the first assignment, huh? What you are telling?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
What are you telling? You didn't submit the assignment.
No, ma'am. No submit the assignment.
That you have to do within the time, right? That I'm not sure. The time was like given in the announcements there, that you have to do there itself. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll just go with the question. wait. First I'll do what I'll do with the NumPy library. I hope you are still unmuted actually. You can mute yourself now. Okay. Yeah, so I'll just what I'll do, yes, I want to convert this to an array actually. So I think we'll take help of the NumPy array. So I'll put like import NumPy as NP, and if I put like this one, yes, like NP dot np dot array. In np the array module is there, np dot array of new list, then it will be coming like, it will be stored there itself. Then I have to give arr underscore new. Okay, and the reshape option there, it's available. I mean, just I'm trying like 3,2. What will happen, we'll see there. So here it will be coming like 3 rows and 2 columns will be coming. Okay, so that is one option. So I've just given that once again. So import NumPy as NP, then this new list is like that, then reshape, and this is one of the option. Okay, so the next one, there is another option also. Can you see that? There is another option also there present, like np numpy dot reshape shape comma array. Okay, how it works, that also we'll see. That means NumPy we have imported as NP. So in NP reshape, we can give like array comma the shape also. That in that way also we can give. Okay, so the same answer will be coming. So the options will be C as D actually. Okay, I hope this is clear. NumPy dot reshape, this one, and NumPy dot reshape shape comma.
Can you
sorry, not
give
this
example
one.
of D1? D, I think shape and then array.
I mean, no, not this one. That's my mistake. This one is right. NumPy dot reshape array comma shape. Oh, you want to see how the other one works, that you're telling? Is it so?
Yeah, first shape and then array.
Okay, we'll see how it happens. So it will come like this one. Okay, it will throw an error. The thing is, like in reshape, I'll just show you. The reshape should be like define reshape. A is the array, then what should be the new shape? Okay, so this is like the syntax for that reshape function. So you have to put it like that one to get the result. Okay, so we have given like C, I mean the array which is to be given, and its shape. So it have to be given in that order. Okay, is it fine? I hope it's fine. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the answers will be the first one, this like this one. Okay, the array dot reshape, the shape, and then NumPy dot reshape array comma shape. Okay, B and C will be the answer. Okay, the next question. Have you gone through this question? Create the tuples given below. Tuple 1, tuple 2. Which of the following options does not work on the given tuples? Okay, this is the present assignment, so you can give your options here. Yeah. So, which will not work on the given tuples? Okay, so we'll just see what happens here. Tuple 1 is given like this one, and tuple 2 will be like this one. Okay, so these one are both are given. So sum of tuple 1, what it will give? Sum of tuple 1. Okay, so what it will give is like, it will sum the values of the tuple. Okay, now similarly, if you give like len of tuple 1, that will give you the length of the elements. Okay, so in the option it's asked like len of tuple 2, so the len of tuple 2 will be 3. Okay, so these two options will work. Now the third option, tuple 2 plus tuple 1, what will be the answer for that one? What will be the answer? Tuple does not update. Yeah, that is the reason. Yes, that is right. But still, tuple 2, what will be the answer for this one? Tuple 2 plus tuple 1. Yes, yeah, 1. Both these things will be added. Okay, both the elements will be added and kept as a single one. So the answer will be coming like, everything in these elements will be added. Okay, tuple 2 plus tuple 1 will be coming like this one, 8 9 4, first tuple 2, then 1 5 6 7 8, tuple 1. If you reverse the answer, it will be coming like reverse also. Okay, like tuple 1 plus tuple 2, if you do, that's just the order will be reversed. Now the next one, the last answer is like tuple 1 of 3, you're trying to change its value, but that's not possible because tuple is unmutable. Okay, so if you give like this one, you'll get an error, does not support item assignment, and a type error will be thrown. Okay, yeah, it's immutable. So the answer will be like D. Okay, D will be the answer. If that's clear, we'll move on to the next question. Okay, one has put let A equal to 5, B equal to 3. Which of the following options result in values 7 and 1? Okay, this is the week 1 assignment, right? Balu Bhai, can you check the week 1 videos for this one? I don't know the options here. Just if you want.
A or B, and A and B. A or B. How it is?
Okay, I'll just tell you. 5 is like 1 0 1 in binary, and 3 is like 0 1 1. Okay, so the question was like and, no? What were the options? I don't remember the options. Let me see if it's there. Week 1. Was it in the assignment 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, this one. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. So here it will be like 1 1 0 1 1 0. Yeah. So what will be the operations results in value 7 and 1? So you just see A or option. Okay. A or, that last class I have given A, this one, it's like a bitwise. Okay, so here 1 or 1 will give 1, 0 or 1 1, and 1 or 0 will give 1. Okay, now then values, what will be 1? That this is the OR operation, bitwise OR operation. And if you give the same thing, like I hope it's visible there. Is it visible? Or I'll move on to here. Okay, 1 0 1 0 1 1. If you put the AND operation, this will be 1, this will be 0, and 1 and 0 will be 0. So this one, the second option will be right, A or B, and A and B. This will be right. The others are like logical OR and logical AND. Okay, that won't work actually. I mean that are used for logical operations. So if you give some logical statement there, like first like A greater than B, and then like that some logical operations are given, then you can do something with these ANDs. Okay, these AND or OR, these are logical OR and logical AND, written as OR and A and D. But if you have a pipe operator as well as an AND operator, then it will be bitwise or an AND. Okay, is that fine? Is that fine, Balbai?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Now the earlier one, yeah. So tuple doesn't give. I hope we were in this problem. So tuple object does not support item assignment. That is the thing. It's immutable. Now the next question: create a sequence of numbers from 15 to 25 and increment by 4. What is the index of the element 19? Okay, so here I'll just see the question also. Yes, it's the question 3. I haven't put the options. Yeah. Okay, what is the index? Options are given like this one. Yes, so the options are, can you tell me what will be the answer? Yeah, it's index what will be coming. So here, if you are given, like we are giving it as a sequence, so creating a sequence will require the arrange function. Okay, and it is present in the NumPy library. We had called earlier this NumPy, we had called as NP. That's why I'm calling as NP only. Okay, here we had imported as NP, so it's already there. So if I just put np.arrange, I'm starting with 15, ending I have to give like 25, and the step size is coming as 4 because it's told like increment by 4. So I'll just run this one and then I'll print the list 1. Okay, so the list 1 will be coming, 19 will be coming as index what is the index of the element 19? I'll see the options. Yeah, it's coming like that. So the option is coming D. Okay, that's right. Now the fourth question is chemist, variable job equals to chemist. It was already discussed. If anyone wants it again, I'll explain again. Okay, is that fine for everyone? Consider a variable job equal to chemist.
Not needed, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So I'll move on. Next one, given a list ls equal to this one. Okay, it's a long list is there. I think you can solve this from the earlier question itself. So I'll just run this one. It's asked like, which would be the most efficient method in determining the unique elements present in ls. Okay, so what will be the option? Yes, some are giving option B. Yeah, that is right. Okay, so just if you see like ls just 1 equal to, I'm just putting like what it is, option B, you have to convert it to a set. Okay, if set of ls is coming, then set of ls is coming, then if I print this one, it will be coming like this only. Okay, so all the repetitions are allowed. So this had come up in the previously run assignment itself. So there is one more option there, is like by converting ls into a NumPy array and applying the relevant methods. Okay, so this is, which would be the most efficient method? If it's asked, you can give like this one, but this is also partially correct only. It is correct only. So how you can do that is like, ls is right now like this one, then you can convert it to ls underscore arr equal to, NumPy is already available as np, then it's array of, just I'm putting like ls, so now it's an array, and in that some relevant methods means you have to see there is a function like that, so it's known as unique actually. Okay, so unique will give you the elements which are unique in that list, and n unique will give you the elements which are number of unique elements in that particular array. Okay, so we'll just see one by one. So np, I mean there you have to call it like different ways actually, so we'll see how it works. np dot unique is there. If you call like that, then you have to put like np dot unique, correct? The word array is now like this one, so if you put like this one, the same array will be coming there. Okay. So this is also a method where you can determine the unique elements present in ls. And if you want to see like the number of elements which are present, then the same thing you have to put, and you can put like n unique, and sorry, this is not coming. Okay, I think you have to call it differently. So it's not there, yeah, so you have to call it differently for that. So I'll do like this, ls dot n unique. Okay, that is not fine, so there is some problem in that. I'll just see that one. So like it's like oh yeah, n unique works not in this way, I'm sorry, it's like in the data frame, so this is there. You'll learn that in week 3 actually. Okay, so this can't be done here. Okay, so the rest of the things are fine, right? You can do the unique operation also there. Sorry, I'll just see the chat window. Yes, time is over. Yeah. So rest of you who have any questions in that, I'll just run through this one. If you have any questions, you interrupt me and ask. Okay, so which of the following data structures can't be used as a key while creating a dictionary? So which can't be used there, can you tell? Yeah, yes, is it right? Which can't be used? Is a string right, or okay, well, I'll just see here. Okay, so here which of the following can be used? Okay, so the string is right, string can be used. I'll just put here. Now can you use a list there? It's asked us can. Okay, so just like I'll put this option like 1, 2, and we'll just see what happens. So it's coming like unhashable type list. Okay, so dictionary is type of a hashable element. That means you can assign a particular value to that particular element. Okay, so in that dictionary they are expecting hashable elements only. Okay, so list is a type of a unhashable type. Okay, that means a hash cannot be assigned to that one. So list can't be put as a key value there, but if you use a tuple, we'll see if any difference comes. Okay, if a tuple is given, tuple is a hashable object, so in the case of a tuple it can be used as a key value, but in our options, okay, there is also
what do we mean by hashable object?
Yeah, hashable object means like whether we can assign a hash value to that particular thing. Okay, that means like in the key, or I mean a particular element will be stored in like a particular value. That value can't be changed. Okay, that means I'll just see if there is any resource. Hashable, yeah, hashable type meaning, yeah, I'll just see if it's coming. Yeah, so you can see that in Python any unmutable object is hashable, any immutable objects. Okay, so here in this one Immutable objects will come as a tuple. So it's hashable, meaning that its value does not change through its lifetime. That means it allows Python to create a unique hash value. Okay, so in elements which are hashable, there will be a unique value. A hash will be created in that, a hash value will be created, and its value won't change in its lifetime. So in the case of a tuple, it's mean that you can't change the value inside the tuple with an assignment, right? So these are not hashable. There is a specific value in its lifetime. But in the case of a list, it's not hashable. Okay, you can change. There will be a change coming in its value in its lifetime. Okay, so this here, you can't use
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
List is mutable.
List is mutable. It is mutable. That means you can change its value. Okay.
Yeah.
But it's not hashable, meaning Python doesn't assign a hash value. Okay, it doesn't create a unique hash value to identify it. That means its value can change during its lifetime. Okay.
Value, as I understand, value can be changed, but unique value cannot be changed. Is it okay?
No. In tuple, can you change its value once you assign a tuple? Can you assign?
I am talking about list.
Yeah, list you can change its value. Since its value is changed.
But when it comes to hashable, then what it makes difference?
This is not hashable.
List is not hashable.
Yeah, that means that it doesn't have a unique value. Python doesn't create a unique value for that list actually. Okay, that is why you can see here when we put this as a list. Okay, when it was put like a list, then the thing is coming like unhashable type list. Okay, list is not hashable.
Okay,
is that fine? Yeah. Okay, so we'll move on to the next question. The answer is, which of the following can be used as a key? String can be used. Okay, so the answer is B. Now the next one, states is given like this one. Yes, so which of the following command is used to remove the key value pair Karnataka KA from it? Okay, so the states will be printed like this one. Okay, so since option C and A people are telling, okay, D is also coming. We'll see the options. Del states Karnataka. Okay, what this will give? What will be the answer for this one? We'll just see. Okay, I added something in between, sorry. So the value will be coming like invalid character identifier. I'm sorry, that is because wait, so here it will be coming. Okay, now if I run the states again, it will be coming like without the Karnataka. Okay, I have removed it. So del states this one can remove the option A is right. Now the next option, okay, this is not right because this is not the correct usage. Okay, so second option, if I give that one, it will be coming like you can see, here also there is a problem. The thing which I copied is not right. Then coming like this one is not like, takes no arguments, like that it will come, but this is not the correct usage. Now the next one, states underscore pop, like that if I give, that is a C option. Many have given that as the correct answer. That's right only. So if I see that, then the states will be coming like, okay, right now Karnataka is not there. I'll run this again. Now if I do that, it will be coming like, it's the value is outputted. Okay, so if you use the pop method, whatever value is there with Karnataka, that will be coming. Okay, now we'll try this one also. Okay, sorry. I'll just run the states once again, and we'll see. Like, yes, so okay. Does anyone have any other doubts in any other question? So this is also not possible. This is the correct option, right? I'll just see once more.
The option is correct.
Yeah, A option is correct. Okay, yeah.
No, no.
Then the D was coming like, I think I'm right in putting here. This is the correct option, right?
Because both Karnataka and KA, both word we have to remove, no?
Yeah.
So that words are coming in the option.
No, I didn't get you. What?
We have to remove two words, Karnataka and KA from it, like that they have asked. So Karnataka and KA word are coming in D option, Del states Karnataka and KA.
No. I mean this type of thing, you just need the key value only. Okay, you don't need the other one to remove that.
Okay.
Yeah, if you put like print states now, yeah, I'll just print it here. Sorry. I just print it here. Then it will be coming like without this one. You don't have to use the colon also. I mean like how the slice comes, you don't have to use like that. Okay, that will throw an error. So I hope this question is clear. Is it clear now? Pop removes the key and value pair and also prints out the remove value. Yes, that is another option. Yes, pop I have shown you here. If I do that one, sorry, it's not there already. So I'll run the states once again, and if I do the pop once again, and yeah, I'll show you. States, it will be coming like this one only. Okay, so you can say many have given the answer as A and C. That's right. Okay, yeah, so the answer A comma C. Now
why C is the answer?
Yes,
because it is only pitching, it is not deleting.
No, you it is deleting also. Okay, pop means like it is del and pop are the two methods where you can get rid of that value. Okay, so I'll just show you once again. In states, I'll run this one, and instead of this one, okay, I'll go through this option. Okay, states dot pop, Karnataka is the key value. If I do that, it will be returning that KA, okay, which is the value for Karnataka, and I'll just print the states once again. Okay, so that was done. So you can see that Karnataka as well as KA are not there. Okay, so pop option, it will remove the key value as well as and the value pair, as well as it will output the value which is for that particular key. Okay, is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, one has asked the 10 question. I'll just run through the other one. So which of the following is valid to declare a string literal? Okay, can you give the answer if you have worked it out? Okay, A. And any other answer? I'll just copy that. You can just get one more answer actually. Okay, we'll see. Okay, how to do that. So the first one, it will be coming like this only. Okay, declare a string literal to a variable. If you just give like str1 equal to, yeah, I'm just declaring it to a string. It is okay, fine. Now the next option was like str1. This one has changed. Okay, this one has changed to a single inverted, as well as in between it has come like this one. Okay, so this is also fine, actually it will get assigned. Okay, now the next one, sorry, I just forgot to give it a different name. Okay, these two I have changed it. Yeah, so the next one we'll try like the third option. The third option will be coming like str3 I'll give, and the next one, that is like yeah, this one only. So will it work? What will happen here? Yeah, it won't work. So this will be throwing this invalid syntax. So if you have to make it work, you have to give like a backward slash. Okay, so before this you can see that this was taken as a string here and the color change was there. Okay, from that thing itself you can take it like it's it will throw an error. Okay, so you just gave like, if you put a black backward slash here, then it will be like retaining the same color as of a string, and now the assignment will happen. Okay, so in these cases, the first two cases, you can declare the string literal. Okay, just we'll see how it is, if any difference is there, like type str1. If you see, it will be coming like a string. Then similarly type str2 will be coming also as a string. Okay, so these both are fine. So the options here will be coming like A and B, and C won't be coming because this was the same. Otherwise you should have a backward slash. Okay, now which of the following commands can be used to create a NumPy array? I think this is fine for everyone. Like which of the following can be used?
B.
Yeah, np.array. Yeah,
np.array.
that is right. But the next one also, like if I'm just giving like in
All will
NP,
be working now.
yeah, all will
Maybe.
be working. Yeah, that
All
first,
the above correct.
yeah. Since the first one was clear with everyone, I'll go with the second one. I'll just show you np.zeros. If I'm putting like 3 zeros like that, and if I am just like outputting 3 LP, then will be coming like an array of zeros. Okay, so this is another way, like you can create an array which is consisting of only zeros. Okay, likewise this one also, like it will create an empty array will be created, but still it will be an array only. Okay, so if I run this one and see like np.empty, if I give that one, now it will be creating an array itself. Okay, so the option is like all of the above. Okay, an array will be coming like that. Similarly, there is another one just for your this thing, yeah, just for telling you, np dots as like zeros, you can use np dot ones also. And if I print that one, like print lp5, it will be coming like an array of ones. Okay, so just this, in this example, all of the above is the answer. Now the next one, which was asked by someone, the given an NumPy array arr equal to np.array. So we are forming an array with this one. Okay, find the correct command from the following options to get an output array as 24, 15 and 20. Okay, so options, some are giving A, B. What I have asked, like this is like this one. Okay, just I'll take the pencil. Yeah, the array is like 5, 9, 10, sorry, 10, 5 and 10, then 7, 2, 6 and 12, 8, 0. Okay, these are the options. And if I do like np sum of array, then what will happen is that the total sum of all the elements will be taken. We'll just do that and see. I'll just copy this one, and if I run that one, the sum is giving us 59. That will be the total sum. Okay, now this one will do like this. Axis is equal to 0. It has a slight difference when it is used as sum. So in this case, okay, in some other statements, as you go forward in this course, you will see that axis is 0 is normally used for row and axis equal to 1 will be normally used for column. But in this specific case, in sum, how it will be coming like, if you want to sum row wise, then I mean like if it's like coming like 24 and 19, if it has to come like that, then you have to put axis equal to 1. Okay, and if you want to bring it the other way, like here it's 24 and here it's like 15, if that has to be done, then the axis should be like 0. We'll just see the options. So if I run that one, then it will be coming like, sorry, axis, have I did something? Yeah, axis equal to 0 will be coming for column, actually column addition. Okay, I mean this one column addition will be coming. Our answer was like, what should we have got? We should have got ARR equal to 24, 15 and 20. So this option, this type should be coming 24, 15 like that. So row wise sum should be done. So for that you have to put, if row wise has to be done, then axis equal to 1 you have to put. Okay, so this case, this will be different. In some other cases you will come up in the next weeks actually, but in for some, if you want to get like column wise, then you have to put axis equal to 0, and if you want to put row wise, then you have to put axis equal to 1. Okay, so is it fine with everyone? So the answer will be C. Okay,
C.
yeah. So these are the questions. Then these are the 20 assignment questions in week 2. So anyone has any other doubts?
Madam, please repeat fourth.
Consider a variable job. This one or the previous run assignment?
Fourth. Yeah.
This one only? Okay. Yes, I think it's the first question. Yeah. So consider a variable job equal to chemist. This is the variable. Okay. Which of the following expressions will retrieve the last character from the variable value? Okay. So job equal to chemist, CHEMIST. Okay. So in that, how many options can you do for so that you will get the last character? Okay, so just I'll put the indexing here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so 6 is the last element. I mean it has index 6. So one thing you can do is like, if you put job of 6, you can do that. Okay, but it's not there in the option. So how you can see? Can you tell me, the one who has asked the doubt, can you tell me what is len of job?
7.
Yes, 7. Yeah, 7 only. But the number of elements is 7. Okay, but for indexing, if you want to get the last element,
0 to 6.
yeah, 0 to 6 is the indexing. Yes. So if you want to get the last element, you have to give like index job of 6 you have to get. Okay, so for that we can give like len of job minus 1. That is possible, right? Len of job is 7.
Can we say it is in backward formation?
That is also right. Yeah, I'll come to that one. Okay, so this is one of the option. Okay, len of job is 7. So 7 minus 1, job of 6 will give you the last one. Okay, now this is not right. This won't come. Okay, this won't come. This won't come in the sense like I'll just run and show you. Why is it not coming? I think you are familiar. Is it okay for you? Or should I explain?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. then we'll go to the reverse indexing. Okay, in reverse indexing, how it will be like, I'll just put in the top. In reverse indexing, t will be given like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6, -7. Okay, this will be the reverse indexing. Okay, so in reverse indexing, if you want to get the answer, you have to give like job of -1. Okay, if job of -1 is there, then you will get the last value. That's why this is coming. Okay, I don't know if I have run this one. I'll run it again. Yeah, and I'll show you the answer. So job of -1 will be giving like t. Okay, so the options will be the second option as well as second option. Yeah, second option as well as the fourth option.
Fourth option. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
So anyone else has any doubt? Fifth question.
Ma'am, I don't have any doubt. However, I would like to ask. Actually, last time I joined Friday's class, and today I have joined the Sunday's class. So, is there any difference? The Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, whatever
This Friday you
week.
joined?
Yeah, actually, for week 1, I joined the Friday's class.
Yes. Okay.
Maybe it may be on 1st of August or something like that. I don't know.
Yeah, that's fine. You can. I mean, I think the sessions are there Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Tuesday. So you can join any of these sessions.
Achha, okay, so in all the session, the things or the assignments which we are solving is same.
Yes, it's same only. Actually, we are asked to solve the previous assignments.
Okay.
So that's why I have started with the previous assignment. Now, then, if you have any doubts in the present assignment, that we are supposed to explain to you.
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Any doubt extra in any question? Explain assignment 2 first question. Assignment 2 first question. Okay, sorry. This one, first question. Yeah, okay. What's the doubt in that? Varshit, sorry, who's that? Varshit, what's the doubt in that? Ma'am is option D. Okay, yeah, option D. What was the difference there? I'll just show you. Like, anyway, these have to be constructed as an array first. Okay. So I have given just like a list here, and just NumPy was already imported, and I'll just do that one also. Okay. So we just asked to like resize. Okay. So you can use the first one, reshape, that's fine. Then another method is like this one. Okay, np.reshape. Okay, I'll just you can ask after this question. Okay, if anyone has any doubt. So np.reshape array comma shape is the correct answer also. Okay, so the first one you can do like this, that is right. You can do like this also, np.reshape. You can just see how it looks like. Okay, it should have the array coming as first, and what should be the new shape should be coming as the second argument. Okay, so that's why I have given like array, I have given first, and the argument that should be coming as the second one. Okay, so now it'll be coming like this one. Now you have asked why this is not working. Okay, so why the fourth option is not working. So the fourth option is like the shape you have given first and then array, so it will be throwing an error. Okay, so it will be coming like this one, but the real thing is like you can't put this statement like this one. Okay, so is it right, Varshit? Option D is not correct. Okay. If anyone else.
And the answer is B and C.
Yes, B and C.
Thank you very much, madam, for this wonderful session.
Okay, it's my pleasure. Thank you to you too.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, fine.
Madam, when next section we will have?
The same section will be